ASER 2024 Post COVID Learning Recovery, but many students still lag in basics. FIIT JEE centers shut down in Noida, Ghaziabad. Parents demand refund action. GATE JAM 2025 exam shifted from Prayagraj to Lucknow due to Mahakumbh. IGNOU SBI Life to hold placement drive on Feb 11 in Delhi. IIT Madras to host Asia's first global Hyperlook competition in Feb 2025.
Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Arya Vidya and today's top education news are: the ASER 2024 report shows a modest recovery in foundational literacy and numeracy post-COVID, but many students still struggle. A survey of 6.5 lakh children across 605 villages found that 76% of the class 3, 55.2% of the class 5, and 32.5% of the class 8 students cannot read a class 2 level. Over 66% of class 3 and 5 students struggle with simple arithmetics in maths. Some states like Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh showed over a 10% improvement in learning outcomes. Digital literacy among teenagers is high, with 89% having smartphone access. While learning levels improve with school readiness programs, experts stress the need for continued intervention to bridge the gap in education recovery. Parents gathered in protest after FIIT JEE coaching centers in Noida and Ghaziabad abruptly shut down. Many had paid fees in advance, with some losing over 3 lakh. Furious parents demanded government intervention and legal action against FIIT JEE for allegedly jeopardizing students' futures. The Noida police have booked FIIT JEE founder G.K. Goyal and 11 others, including top executives, for fraud. More than 2,000 students were affected at the Noida Sector 62 center alone. Complaints have also emerged from Delhi, where 250 people accused FIIT JEE of mismanagement. Parents say no prior notice was given, leaving students stranded just before board exams. Authorities are investigating while parents continue seeking refunds and accountability. The GATE 2025 and JAM 2025 exams originally scheduled in Prayagraj and have been relocated to Lucknow due to the large congregation expected at Mahakumbh. IIT Roorkee and IIT Delhi, the organizing institutes, made the change following student requests citing travel difficulties. Candidates must download updated admit cards from the portals and ensure new test center details are correct. The new centers include AP Computer, BDR Info Solutions LLP, UV Online Solutions, City Law College, and SINCO Learning Center in Lucknow. Candidates must carry their original photo ID uploaded to the application form for verification on exam. IGNOU, in collaboration with SBI Life Insurance, will conduct a campus placement drive on February 11, 2025 at the IGNOU Convention Center, Maidan Barahi, New Delhi. Registration is from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., followed by a pre-placement talk at 11 a.m. The drive aims to recruit unit and business development managers for various Delhi branches. Candidates must be 21 to 30 years old, hold a graduation degree, and have sales experience. The selection process, including a group discussion and a personal interview. Required documents include resumes, academic certificates, and ID proof. Candidates must arrive before 11 a.m. in formal attire, as the process may extend to the evening. IIT Madras will host Asia's first global Hyperloop competitions from February 21 to 25, 2025, bridging together global innovators to advance Hyperloop technology. The Ministry of Railways will support the event at IIT Madras. The competition includes sport demonstrations, case study challenges, and design contests. Hyperloop, introduced by Elon Musk in 2013, enables ultra-fast transport through vacuum tubes at over 1,000 km per hour. With 400 participants worldwide, the event aims to inspire engineers and redefine transportation. Professor Satya Chakravarti and student head Pranav Singhal emphasized the competition's role in driving global innovation and collaboration. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Arya Vidya. For more such detailed news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.